If you're trying to level up your Steam account, whether it's to unlock more profile customization options, increase your friends list limit, or just flex a higher Steam level, this video is for you. Today I'll show you a few methods to level up your Steam account the cheapest and quickest way possible. So let's get into it. First thing we want to do is open up Steam, hover over your Steam name and click Badges. Scroll down until you find the Community badge. You can earn up to 500 XP by completing these basic tasks like adding friends, setting up your profile, or even posting a screenshot. The second method is crafting badges from trading cards. If we go back to the badges page, find a game where you already have most of the cards collected. For example, I only need 2 more cards to complete the set for Refunct. Click on the game and you can see the missing cards here. Scroll down and you can either search the market for individual cards, or you can buy remaining cards on the market and Steam will automatically find the cheapest cards for you. Once you have the cards selected, click Add Funds or Place Order. Only click Place Order once, otherwise you'll keep buying the same cards. Come back to Badges and click Ready, then Craft Badge. Each badge you craft gives you 100 XP and most games let you craft up to 5 times. After that, you can either buy a new set for the same game or finish another set that's almost complete. The third method is through the Point Shop. Hover over Store and click Point Shop. Scroll down and click Seasonal Badges. If you have some extra Steam points lying around, this is definitely the easiest and cheapest way to level up. Each seasonal badge costs 1,000 Steam points and gives you 100 XP. So if you want 10 badges, that's 10,000 Steam points and 1,000 XP. Seasonal badges update every summer and winter, so you can do this up to 2 times per year. And finally, if you want to level up fast without grinding, you can click the link in the description to be brought to steamlevelup.com. Once you're here, click Log In and sign in through your Steam account. After you sign in, your Steam level will automatically be filled. Choose your desired Steam level and choose your payment method. If this is your first time using the website, you'll need to submit your trade URL by clicking the blue Here link in the We Need Your Trade URL pop-up window. Copy your trade URL at the bottom of the Steam page, then paste your trade URL back in the Steam level pop-up window. After you click Confirm, you'll need to verify your email. Just type your email in this pop-up window and click Confirm. Check your email and verify the Steam Level Up message. Once you do that, you'll see this Level Up page. Click Level Up and proceed to checkout. After you put in your payment information and successfully pay, you should see this order confirmation page. Once the status changes to Trade Sent, you can click View Trade or jump back into Steam and click your notification bell. Click the You Received a Trade Offer notification, acknowledge, and close. Then respawn to offer, click Confirm Trade Contents, then Accept Trade. Hover over your username, click Badges, then craft all the badges you were given in your trade. Click View Your Profile and you should now be at your desired level. If you have any questions while trying these methods, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching.